our channel, the Educational Hub. Today we are going to discuss the structure and the functions of endoplasmic reticulum, and also we will study the structure and functions of Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख रहे हैं हमारा चैनल दी एजुकेशनल हब। आज हम एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिक्यूलम की साख्त और इसके अफ़ाल के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। साथ ही हम गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स, जिसे गोल्जी अपरेटस भी कहा जाता है, इसकी भी साख्त और अफ़ाल के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर of endoplasmic reticulum. Endo means inside, where plasma means protoplasm, and reticulum means network. So basically, endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous channel extending throughout the cytoplasm and known as CISTERNAE. These channels seem to be in contact with cell membrane as well as the nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is absent in RBCS, red blood cells, and endoplasmic reticulum is also absent in spermatozoa. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. The first type is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the second type is known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why they are called rough and smooth? So rough endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough because there are ribosomes present on it, which give its rough structure. Basically, rough endoplasmic reticulum occurs in both plant cell as well as in animal cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum located near Golgi apparatus, or we can say it is just attached with Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. The main function of endoplasmic reticulum is to synthesize the protein, glycoprotein, and phospholipid. So basically, rough endoplasmic reticulum is a factory of synthesizing the protein. Now moving towards the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They are smooth because ribosomes, which are the protein synthesis factory, they are absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also present in both animal and plant cell. If we talk about the adrenal gland, which are present just above the kidney, so in adrenal gland, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes steroid hormones from cholesterol. One of the most important functions of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that they inactivates and detoxifies the drugs. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum converts glycogen to glucose and provide energy to the body. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum involves in the synthesis and storage of lipids. Now moving towards the structure and function of Golgi complex. So now we will discuss about the Golgi complex, or they are also known as Golgi apparatus. First of all, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus were discovered by an Italian physician, Camillo Golgi, in 1898. They are consist of membranous sacs called CISTERNAE. Golgi apparatus are consist of two main compartments. The number one is cis and the second is trans. Cis phase basically allows biochemical modifications. Basically, in cis phase the packaging has been done, and in the next phase, the trans phase, is also known as exit phase, through which the packaging which were produced in the cis phase are released. If we talk about the location of Golgi apparatus, so Golgi apparatus are located just next to the endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will discuss about the functions of Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. First of all, they are responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles. Remember, these proteins were synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are modified and transported into vesicles through Golgi body. They are responsible for the formation of lysosome. Basically, lysosomes are the packaging which are released from Golgi apparatus. Golgi body in endocrine cells help in the secretion of hormones. So that was our today's video. So if you have any question regarding this topic, so you may ask in our comment section, and thank you for watching this video.